This is a test of the emergency alert system, required weekly test. Hey, what the hell? Who is trying to hijack the system? And I blocked the hacks, so now you can't do nothing now. And I know for sure that road character from University X is trying to hack my system. Nice try, genius. And another thing, you hijacked enough, go somewhere else, because I am not your normal emergency alert system. But anyways, this concludes the emergency alert system. Peace out. Thank you for watching this video, and R.D is a pissed off guy.